In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete subscribers from Getresponse. We're going to walk through the fastest and most straightforward way to remove contacts from your account, and I'll explain what each option actually does, so you don't accidentally delete someone you wanted to keep. First, start by logging into your Getresponse account and heading to the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. Look for the option labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on Contacts. This is where all of your subscribers and lists are managed. Once you're on the contacts page, you'll see a list of your contact lists. These are the different groups or segments of subscribers you've created. Find the list that contains the subscribers you want to remove. When you see the right one, click directly on the name of that list. This will open up all the contacts that belong to it. Now that you're inside the list, you'll see your subscribers displayed in a table, usually with a checkbox next to each contact. To choose who you want to delete, click the checkbox next to each subscriber you want to remove. Take a moment here to double-check your selections. Once they're deleted from your account, you won't be able to send them any more emails unless they subscribe again, so it's worth reviewing before you continue. After you've selected the contacts, look towards the top of the list for the three-dot icon, sometimes labeled as Actions or represented by an ellipsis. Click on that three-dot icon. This opens a small menu with different actions you can perform on the selected subscribers. In this menu, you'll see at least two key options: delete from account and remove from list. This is an important distinction. If you choose delete from account, those subscribers will be completely removed from your entire Getresponse account. That means they'll disappear from all lists, segments, and future mailings. If you only want to take them out of the specific list you're viewing, but keep them available in other lists, choose Remove from List instead. Once you've picked the option that matches what you want to do, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Getresponse does this to make sure you don't delete contacts by mistake. Read the message carefully, then click Yes, Delete to confirm your choice. After that, the selected subscribers will be removed based on the option you chose, and your list will update to reflect those changes.